Alright, listen up. I know you've been searching the web, especially YouTube, on how to clean your griddle, and I've seen a lot of people clean them the wrong way. And look, let's just not complicate this any longer. Let's make it very simple for all you guys to understand. We're going to break it down into 3 easy steps, like I said. Alright, so the very first thing is you want to get you a scraper. I picked up this one from Blackstone. It came in a kit. And it came with these 2 other things that I don't really care for. So I'm going to show you how I do it. You can choose to use the other 2 if you'd like, but I only use this piece of the scraper kit. And it is found on Amazon. If you're interested in it, I'll have a link down below in the description. Alright, so for the second part, all you want to do is get some water. Yes, water. Don't be getting vinegar and all these other things. Water is all you're going to need to clean up all of that old gunk that got stuck on your griddle that you forgot to clean last time. Alright, because let's be honest, we forget to clean this. We cook and we just leave it there. I do it sometimes and it sucks, but it does happen. Alright, so look, you just throw the water on there and make sure that when you have this griddle on, all 4 burners are on the very high setting. That gets you just a basic rag, and go ahead and use the spatula and just run it all across the griddle until you get all that water off. Make sure you hit every single corner of the griddle because you want it to be clean. And the water, it just evaporates all that old gunk and it gets it ready to go. And at this point, a lot of people like to throw oil on there. I was going to cook bacon next, so I didn't really need to throw oil, but that would be my next step. If you found this video helpful, then this next one you'll definitely like.